This short tutorial will help to explain how you're going to complete your reading a medication label assignment. Here you'll see on the first page, which once you start the assignment, you'll just click next after this video and you'll see this page. And here I want you to review the medication information, and it has a picture of the labels, for example, phenobarbital tablets. And under the phenobarbital, you'll see writing in blue with the A, B, C, D, etc. And those correspond with the letters on the medication label. So I want you to take some time here and review the Keflex and the phenobarbital medication labels along with the writings in blue so that you are able to identify the parts of the medication label. After you're finished with this, you will go down, and on the bottom right, you'll see the Next button in your module. You'll click Next. And on the next page, you'll see reading medication labels and how much information can we find together. So you're going to look at this Augmentin label and you're going to think about the previous page and see how much information you can now tell yourself about the label. And it says to read the above medication label and identify one key piece of information that you can share about the medication. So in order to share, what you're going to do, again, here in the bottom right, you're going to click the Next one more time. Now this page is what we're going to be using as our wiki page. How much information can you find together? And it says post one thing that you noted from reading the medication label. In order to do that post, you will need to come up here to the Edit in the top right-hand corner, and you simply click the Edit button. Once it goes into Edit format, you're going to get your cursor to the first blank line, and then you'll notice that it says to make sure that you type your name in front at the beginning of your post so that we know who posted each bit of information. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to type Mrs. Shannon. And then I noticed that the route of administration for the Augmentin is oral. So I've posted my noticing to share with all. In order to save that, it's very important that you go down here and click Save. Now your message will then be shared, or your noticing will then be shared. So when the next student goes in, clicks Edit, the next student then can go down, and let's just say that student was Mike Shannon. And then Mike can say, I noticed, and whatever Mike noticed about the medication label. Again, Mike needs to remember to hit Save. And then as the next person goes in, you'll see those are there. And you just continue in this process as you come along this assignment. I hope this is helpful in explaining how to proceed with the medication label assignment. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me. Thank you.